Imagine a land where ancient history meets untouched nature, where the Adriatic and Ionian seas kiss unspoiled beaches, and where vibrant cultures have blended over millennia. Welcome to Albania, Europe's best-kept secret. Albania gives you that stunning Mediterranean feel at a fraction of the cost of its neighbors. You can get by on just $30 to $50 per day, enjoying local meals, affordable guest houses, and even some amazing coastal experiences on a budget. Now let's break down the costs so you can see just how affordable Albania really is. If you're traveling on a budget, hostels cost around $12 to $16 per night. For more privacy and comfort, budget hotels range from $30 to $43 per night. Traditional Albanian dishes like borek or tevikosi cost just $2 to $5. While a meal at a mid-range restaurant will set you back anywhere from $5 to $15. Getting around is super cheap. Intercity buses cost between $1 and $5. And if you want more flexibility, renting a car is surprisingly affordable. Albania offers some incredible budget-friendly experiences. A guided tour of the UNESCO-listed cities Berat costs just $5 to $10, and a stunning beach boat trip along the Riviera is around $20 to $30. Stunning beaches. From the Albanian Riviera's pristine beaches to the rugged peaks of the Albanian Alps, the country's diverse terrains offer breathtaking views and outdoor adventures. The Albanian Riviera boasts crystal-clear waters and secluded beaches, rivaling those of its more famous neighbors. Historical sites. From the UNESCO World Heritage City of Gjirokastër to the ancient ruins of Butrint National Park, history enthusiasts will find a treasure trove of sites to explore. Explore UNESCO World Heritage sites like Berat and Gjirokastër, which showcase well-preserved Ottoman architecture and a deep sense of history. Natural beauty. The Albanian Alps, also known as the Accursed Mountains, offer breathtaking landscapes and hiking opportunities. Warm hospitality. Albanian culture is rooted in hospitality, ensuring visitors feel welcomed and cherished throughout their stay. Albania is a testament to Europe's hidden treasures, a place where history, culture, and nature intertwine seamlessly. Isn't it time you discovered this Balkan gem?